A very warm welcome to Astro Yogi channel and wish you all a very happy new year 2021. We all must have spent really happily and joyfully with our loved ones, family members and near and dear ones. January marks the beginning of a new year. This month is all about corrections, resolutions, goals, plans and the path that we all choose to what? To ascertain that the year turns out to be good. So basically, this month, January month, is also called the planning month, isn't it? Because the previous year might not have been ended on a very good note for some. For some, they must have experienced really the best time of the year, spending time with their family members, working from home, etc. Unfortunately, for a very few, it must not have been a year because of hard hitting reality. Looking at how the previous year we all have dealt with, we know that we are going to cautiously take a few steps, make choices, and take decisions so that the upcoming year turns out to be better, happier, and contentful. We all know that the tables that we are setting are going to be turned to a very happier life, right? We all are welcoming the new year strongly, truly, with strength and courage. We all have shown the previous year has helped us to deal with the crisis boldly and hope for a better tomorrow. Will January 2021 be fruitful in terms of finances, in terms of career, with our loved ones, family ones? Will my love turn out to be a blossom? Oh, yes. Can we expect commitment? All of such questions are going to be answered right here. With the expert astrologer's help, they can get a very great sneak peek so that the upcoming year holds on with bold and future moves accordingly. Hi, I'm Tara Polak from Astro Yogi, and today I'm here to take you through all 12 horoscope signs for the month of Jan 2021. If you all are watching this video and have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe and request to press the bell icon to get all the latest video updates related to astrology, horoscopes and tarot. Please feel free to give your feedback in the comment section right below. Right? Here it goes. Libra. Libra holds within it very refined sense of what it means to be feminine. Librans value honor and equally justice and fairness, all of the civilized trails of man which could be have originated under Libran sign, which are births of law system. On the 4th, as the Venus moves into Sagittarius, which deepens the bond with your younger relatives, especially with those seeking guidance and compassion. You may be asked to share your wisdom. The desire to take a short trip is strong on your cards, and you may have even a mini adventure. As the Venus moves into Capricorn on 28th of January, which encourages you to make purchase for your new home. Librans, as it is a sign of great taste. You value quality and you have an eye for what is classic, as well as beautiful artistic pieces that display your own taste and originality. In this way, there can be a quite a quirky side to your choices on the 5th of January as the Mercury moves into Capricorn, which is a wonderful period for mothers and the inner feminine characteristic. Friends are going to be very supportive, and there is a great sense of community and cohesiveness bonding. On the 25th, as the Mercury moves into Aquarius, which can make focus challenging state into yoga, meditation, which are ancient methods of quieting the mind and tapping into your own Zen like state. Just like your thoughts come and go, there is no need to identify too strongly with anything you think. Post the 14th of January, good health, career, growth, and rewarding friendships can be foreseen. It's a time to totally chill out. Good luck, Librans. This is a generalized prediction for all 12 horoscope signs as per the planet transitory positions. In case if you want a very detailed astrological predictions, then please click on the link below given. You will get all your answers to your questions too. Have a great time.
Astroyogi, India's #1 live astrology app.